Want to know how to turn off all notifications from Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to turn off all notifications from Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here there are multiple options. Tap on the notification option at the second. Here under the push notification section, you can see pause all option. Now toggle the switch right beside it. Here you can see different time limits to turn off the notification from Threads app. Select according to your preference. So this is how you can turn off all notifications from Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.